welcome to your online course of English. My name is Bojana and I am an English teacher from Serbia, Belgrade. If you like to contact me, please do that by sending me an email. This is my email address, Bojana, Basta, Damjanović, that's my name, at gmail.com, or you can send me a message or call me via Viber. This is my phone number, +3 8162 8950866. So I'll be happy to hear from you, and maybe we can have some online classes together so I can help you learn English faster. Okay, this is our 4th class today, and we are going to learn about present continuous tense. What is that? Okay, listen to these sentences. For example, I say, I teach English. Okay, I teach English because I am a teacher. That's my job. So, I teach English. I teach English because it's my job. That is present simple tense. It's my job. I do it every day. I do it always, so I teach present simple tense. First video in this course, so please watch video number 1. But if I need to say that right now I am doing my job, then I must say this. I am teaching. I am teaching English. Okay, this is present continuous tense. Why present continuous tense? Because this action is going on. It's continuing in the present, okay? So I teach every day, but right now, at this moment, I am teaching English, okay? So I take verb teach and I add ing, okay? Ing. In front, I put am for the first person singular. I am teaching right now. I am making this video right now, okay? I am making this video right now. I am talking to you right now, okay? Good. You are listening to me. You are watching this video. You are studying English. You are learning English, okay? Right now, you are studying English. So, first person singular, first, I am teaching. You are learning. You are learning English with me. You are learning English with me right now. Good job. You are learning, learn plus ing. You are learning English right now. You are watching this video. Okay, so every day you watch TV, but now you're watching this video. Every day you learn English, but right now, at this moment, you are learning English. Every day you listen to the music, you listen to the radio, but right now you are listening to this video. Okay, so this is present continuous tense, and you need this tense when you talk about things that are happening right now, okay, at this moment. He, she, okay, he, my husband, my father, my son, okay, a man. She, my mother, my daughter, my sister, she, a woman, is, she is working, for example, she's working right now. He is working right now. So he's at work and he's working right now. She's at home. She's not working right now. Okay, so this is present continuous tense. I am working, you are working, he or she is working. Okay, if you want to say negative, no, then you put not. Okay, so you say I am not teaching English, I am learning English, or I am not speaking German right now, I am speaking English. You are not learning German, you're learning English. He is not learning English, he is working right now. Okay, this is singular, one person, I am, you are, he, man, she is, woman and a man. Plural, when there are many people, 2, 3, 5, more people, that's plural. You say we, me and you, that's we. You say we are learning English together, okay? We are learning English together. We are learning online. We are having English classes online, okay? We, me and you. We are learning together. We are not speaking, right? We cannot speak on YouTube. We are not speaking, but we are learning together, okay? They, some people over there, they are watching this video right now, or they are not, negative, they are not watching this video. Good. So, present continuous tense is easy. You take verb be, right? I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are, and you take a verb, teach, work, learn, study, watch, eat, whatever verb, and then you say add plus ing. So you say verb is do, like, study, drive, work, and then you add ing. So you say driving, studying, eating, playing, and so on. Okay, so now I will ask you 3 questions. First question, present continuous tense. What are you doing right now? What are you doing right now? Are you sitting down? Yeah. Are you listening to the video? Are you learning English? Yes, you are. Good job. You're learning English, you're sitting down, you're watching this video, you're listening to me, and you are learning English. Second question, what is your mother doing right now? What is she doing? Is she cooking lunch? Is she working? Is she maybe playing tennis? Is she watching TV? What is she doing right now? Okay. Third question, what is your husband doing right now? What is he doing? Is he learning English with you? Is he working right now? Is he watching a football match? Is he maybe playing football? What is he doing right now? Okay, so you understand. Present continuous tense is a good tense to talk about things, actions happening right now at this moment while we speak about it, okay? You need present simple tense of the verb to be, am, is, or are. You need not for a negation, and then you need ing that you add to a verb. That's it. If you need a question, if you need to ask a question, then you take this verb and you put it in the at the beginning. So you say, are you driving right now? No, I'm not driving. Are you watching my video? Yes, I am. Are you eating something? Maybe you are eating something. Are you drinking something? Are you smoking and watching video? Okay, you understand. Question, you put verb be in front at the beginning of the sentence. Good job. You've just learned present continuous tense. If you want to practice online with me, please contact me via my phone number or my email address, or just send me a comment below this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get new videos and new notifications always when they're out. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.